Hello y'all, welcome to my channel. This is Wiggin' It with Carol Brown, and today I just wanted to do a really quick spot on permatease. I've had a lot of questions and confusion about what permatease is. Permatease is permanent teasing. So instead of taking a rat comb like we used to our hair, it gives hair volume with permanent teasing. And let me show you what it looks like on the wig. These little fibers, see those little fibers right there? They're little short fibers. I have to pull all the hair back so you can see it because it's at the base of the cap, okay? That's permatease. That's what holds your hairs up and gives it volume. So if you're someone that does like a higher volume, this has got a light permatease to it. It really doesn't need that much because it's the style. And look how fast I can juice that up. I can calm it down by brushing it out if I want to. Add a little bang if I want and kind of bring, or I can really activate it with my fingers. Look how fast that works, okay? That's permatease. So with her, even though she is just a sleek little bob, look at how the permatease gives her her shape. You really don't need to activate it. You don't need it to be higher. It gives it a nice, full, thick looking cap or hairstyle, okay? So if you are not into permatease, if you're not into a thicker looking hair, and say you maybe prefer a low density look, like Belle Tress has great low density. This one is just a short little bob without the permatease, and she sits very, very flat, okay? So it just depends on your taste and what you like. I recommend a low density like this if you're starting out and you have always had thin hair or thinning hair. If you are someone that always had very thick hair and then suddenly lost your hair and you want thick hair again, find something that has a higher density or maybe even a little permatease that you can get some height to. If you like the short styles like this, permatease is a godsend. So in a nutshell, 3 minutes or less, permatease can be your friend. Just depends on if you like big hair or not. Y'all have a good day. Bye.